Hi guys, it's Keith with Arkenberg Farms here, and I want to show you how I rigged a fridge without using a CoolBot. Alright, here's your typical CoolBot setup. Window air conditioner, got it powering 5x6 commercial fridge, no condenser. You can see, holding nicely. Just ran off of a CoolBot sensor. CoolBot has a couple different sensors on it. It's got a room temperature sensor, then one that is up here in the fins, so you don't freeze your air conditioner out, and then what they call a heater, which comes over to the thermostat controller on the air conditioner. You typically find that across here. Taking it off, hook it to there, so when it gets above the temperature you have it set, like right now, it warms up this heater, which is just a resistor, and tricks the air conditioner into thinking it's warmer than it actually is. I figured out a way to do this without buying this fancy unit. The only warning is that this one has that fin sensor, so it won't freeze itself out if you leave the door cracked like I did the other night. Okay, here's the one I did without using a CoolBot. Same type fridge. This is a top load, so I got the air conditioner on top of it. What I'm using is a temperature controller. I think this is an Arkenberg cooling controller. You see how it says cooling. Here's the model number. So I have this, which I just turned it on, that's why it's still warm. It's just dropping it down temperature right now. Hooked to a lamp stem and a 60-watt LED light bulb. Let's go inside and take a look. Alright. Inside, same as the other one. Window air conditioner. Got the temperature probe. They typically be on the front. Going down into a bag. The bag has the light bulb in it. The light bulb comes on when the sensor tells it is too warm in here, tricking the air conditioner into coming on like it is right now. I got the probe from the cooling controller over here. And it's as simple as that. With a $30 sensor, $5 light bulb, and a $10 lamp assembly for the stem on a new lamp that has your socket for your light bulb on it, you can have your own homemade CoolBot. The only caution I have, I left this open the other night about that far. You have to get your finger in. In the morning, air conditioner was frozen solid. So with just a few dollars, your temperature controller, cooler, your light bulb, stem, window air conditioner, and old junk freezer. You can find these online. I've never paid more than $70 for one. You can make your very own CoolBot system. It works just as well, but again, you have to warn you, if you ever leave these open, they have no control to know it's freezing up, and it will just freeze up on you. I still have the CoolBot in the main fridge I use, and that runs me most of the time. This one here is for either harvest day or when I just run out of space. Hope you guys found this useful. Have a good day. Thanks.